In this video, we're going to consider the shapes of distributions and how to tell where the mean, median, and mode are relative to each other based off of the shape of the distribution. Okay, so let's start with a skewed right distribution. So skewed right distribution would look like with a long tail to the right. Okay, so you would have a distribution that looks like this, and you have like a long tail to the right. Now when I draw this curve like this, you can think of this as kind of like a histogram, roughly at least. You can think of this as a histogram where the bars are so thin that it creates this really smooth curve. Okay, so when you see these distributions that are drawn like these really smooth curves, you can think of them as histograms with infinitely tiny or small width bars. All right. Okay, so this is a right skewed distribution. This is the way it looks. It has a long tail over here to the right. All right, so finding the mode is always the easiest. That is where the distribution is the tallest. Okay, so here will be the mode. Okay, now second easiest is finding where the median is relative to the mode. Sorry, where the mean is relative to the mode. Finding where the mean is, it will be pushed by the outliers. Remember, mean is strongly affected by outliers, so the mean will be over to the right on a right skewed distribution. It will be pushed by these outliers in this direction, so the mean will be over here. All right. Then the median will be between the mean and the mode. Okay, so the median would be somewhere around right here. All right, so now let's go on and talk about left skewed distributions. So left skewed distributions, let's go ahead and draw that out first. So left skewed distribution would have a tail that's, well, let me go ahead and try that again. A tail that is long on the left. Okay, all right. So tail on the left makes it a left skewed distribution or negatively skewed. So again, finding where the mode is easiest, it's where it's the tallest. Okay. Next, finding where the median is second easiest, so it will be pushed by the tail. Okay, so the tail is over here to the left, so the mean will be over here to the left. Then lastly, the median will be between the mean and the mode. All right. So in this case, the mean is the smallest number, then the median, then the mode. In positively skewed distribution, the mode was the smallest, then the median, then the mean. Okay. Lastly, symmetric distributions. Symmetric distributions look something like this, right? Just symmetric as possible. I could draw here. Okay, so this is supposed to be symmetric. Okay, so where the mode is right here. Well, it turns out that's also where the mean is, and that's also where the median is. All right, so in symmetric distributions, the mean, median, and mode are all in the same spot, which makes a lot of sense because in symmetric distributions you have a perfect center, right? Half of the data is over here and half of the data is over there. So in symmetric distributions, of course, all of the measures of center would hopefully be in the same spot because in symmetric distributions you have the perfect center.